What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today's episode gonna be unboxing day, wherein I pick up and I bought a pair of shoes from Goat and Stockx. This is my first time buying from Goat and Stockx, and what I pick up in Stockx is below or under retail, and what I bought in Goat is above retail. And this is my first time buying above retail. You know me, I'm the guy who always like to buy discounted item, but this one is gonna be one of the exemption why I'm buying above the retail price. So hope you enjoy this video. Let's move on to the unboxing. Let's go. So first box, this is from the Stockx, and the reason I picked this up is I'm trying to do the collection from the TV show, and let's do the unboxing. Alright. Okay. Go. Okay. Nice packaging. Rubber. And there we go. You can see this. So I know they are the old one TV show, and they already end the TV episode or the show, but I think they're gonna do more episodes because last time they received a lot of award, so I believe they're gonna do more episodes. So this one is the, like what I said, is the Adidas Game of Thrones Ultraboost right there. You can see Ultraboost X Game of Thrones W. So that means this is a women's exclusive, but I picked it up because it's still I like it, and the size would be converted for me because this one is 11 and a half and I'm 10 and a half. So let's take it out on the box. And what's that? The label from Stockx. So Adidas Ultraboost 4.0 Game of Thrones. See, okay, so you can see that it was purchased from, there you go, Adidas Ultraboost 4.0 Game of Thrones what's that? Game of Thrones House of Targaryen white, and it's women's size 11 and a half, style colorway white, silver, and yeah, in white. Style condition is new and 100% authentic, and not mistaken, it was, the retail is 150 or 160, not sure, but I put on a bid for $70, as you can see right there. So the pair of Ultraboost is still good, even though it's not Game of Thrones. $70 for Ultraboost, very good already. And shipping cost $13.95, really. And sales tax is $504. authentication fee free, and total is $88.99 for a pair of Ultraboost. It's because of the shipping and taxes. Okay, still not bad for Ultraboost of $88 or $89. Yeah. And boom, there we go, nice and clean. And the second pair. Okay, and as we can see, the authentication verification verified authentic by the Stockx, and it is a woman's exclusive Ultraboost. It's all white. There you go. And what I love, I'm trying to complete the set for this Game of Thrones. I think I already got me those red ones. House of, I can't remember the other one. The one that I picked up, it's a red ones. I haven't used them yet, but I'm still thinking when will be the right time to unds them. So this one is really nice also. Just the basic Ultra Boost, nice upper, the color. The nice thing is just simple thing is it says Fear and Blood. There you go. And then the tongue is the logo of the House of Targaryen, and that's about it. Not much going on. What I like about this is I could use during the summer. So plain white, kind of silver thing on the leader stripe right there. A pair of Ultraboost for $88 is not bad at all, especially they are already it is on collaboration with the Game of Thrones. So I believe if wanted them to keep for resale, it will go up price. Special Game of Thrones will be coming back. But for the collection, still good. And price alone $88.99 and also $89 or $89. So there we go. We got a nice, good looking white silver Game of Thrones House of Targaryen, which says Fire and Blood, and that's it. Not much. Yeah, that is very simple. So another thing, well, this is my first time buying on Stockx, so and it has the Stockx sticker. That's it. There you go. Nothing else. So nice one in the collection. All what I pick up in Game of Thrones are women's exclusive. The men's exclusive are way over expensive. No, not gonna buy those over retail. Probably I get a reason, and that is the reason why I'm buying this and gold way over the retail. And let's do the unboxing. Nice tape right here though. Alright. I'm not gonna buy about resale, but it happens. It has a reason buying them. So, any familiar? All right. Okay. there we go. So we have a familiar box here, silver thing, and how about a familiar logo? And there we go. There we go. So that's a clue, and we got the Kyrie 5 Spongebob GS. There we go. Now, that is the reason why I bought this. This is not for a personal affair for me, but this is a gift for my daughter, and she's been like looking, or like I don't know, it's like on the look or hunting when I was in the outlet. Like, she was asking about this, and so she's been telling it to my sister also. So pick them up, and this will be her birthday gift, and it is the good reason to buy way over retail. There you go. We got the goat sticker, and what's this? So we got some kind of, right, or I don't know what is this, some kind of checklist probably, and there we go. Boom. Wow. There we go. And the other pair. Nice. Nice color though. Yellow. And a nice gum bottom. Yep. Nice pair of shoes. The only thing, when they drop this one, is just like about an hour before, after they already sold out. Like, so if I knew there was if I knew it, I could had a chance before to buy them retail, but if I knew, I'm not paying for Bob retail, but it happens. So nice pair of shoes for Kyrie, and the details going on. So not really good in doing those detail of the shoes. So just a nice pair of shoes, yellow and red, nice gum bottom. The upper is nice with those thing that going on with Spongebob, and there's one too. There we go. So this is the reason now that I'm buying Bob retail, just for now, probably. It's gonna be a good gift for my daughter. So there's a logo here, and also a logo of Nickelodeon, I guess. And that's about it. Well, what do you think? It's still a good pair of shoes that will be given as a gift. So nice one. Okay, nice and clean. It should be a good one for basketball though, because the outrage right here, and it's a low cut. And oh, I didn't say that comment. There's SpongeBob right there. All right then. Okay. Oh, there's another good thing that represent SpongeBob. How about the other one? Oh, right there. What's that inside? Yeah, SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. So, all right. Okay. Well, I hope she loved this pair of SpongeBob shoes that I purchased at Bob retail. All right. And also got me a collection from Stockx, and this is from Goat. So first time buying Goat, nice pair and nice under retail, and it's authenticated also from Goat. go. So I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing from Stockx and Goat. Please leave a comment down below what you think about this unboxing. Leave a like or a thumbs up, and also please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified for the next upcoming video. And see you later.